Hi CloseBot community, I've got a fun and cool update for you. We've been working on our seamless bot switcher and getting some cool features in it, and we bumped into something that's really cool, and I wanted to share it with you. Going back to the demo from last week, our Facebook Messenger has a receptionist bot that figures out the lead type, whether it's a buyer, seller, or investor, and updates it on a field, and according to that it redirects to another bot, seller bot, buyer bot, investor bot. The seller bot, for example, has three objectives: figure out the timeline for the sale, figure out the address, and the motivation before it carries on to booking. So basically we have four objectives: figure out the lead type, and three more before we can go on to booking. And these objectives are across two bots. So let's see what happens when we send something like that. Hi, I would like to sell my house that is located in 3034 174th Court Northeast Redmond sometime in the next couple of weeks. I'm doing that because I'm old and I want to retire. Click send. So what we would see until now is basically, if you're not doing any smart bot switching, you'd see the receptionist answering to that, and then your flow sending the next question into the seller bot. Or in the solution we showed, basically the seller bot taking over immediately and asking a question regarding the timeline. But let's see what happens here. In the meanwhile, I'll show you what we've done in the back end. We took the automation workflow and we added support for goals completed. So we're basically not only listening to field changes, but also to CloseBot's goals being completed. And every time they change, we can either switch the bot or, and that's what's new, we can switch the state. Let's go ahead and see what happens inside the contact. So as you can see, we've already figured out the lead type, that's from the receptionist bot, but also the timeline and the address. And these are coming from the second bot. Let's refresh it again. And now we also have the motivation. So basically, the bot updated all of these goals accomplished over two bots before it even responded, and hopefully we should see a response that asking us for a booking. Waiting. There we go. And here's the bot scheduling an appointment with us. So jumped right away to the appropriate objective over two different bots and four different objectives. Let me know what you guys think.